Hi there, Sierra Dater from Wise Girl Workshops and
Tina Parrish.
And we are running a couple amazing workshops for grade school parents, and we are going to sit really close so you get us both in the frame here. So Tina's running something called Nutrition for Life that's starting on Mondays for 4 consecutive weeks. Tina, can you tell us a little bit about that program, about what you're going to be covering in that?
Yeah. Well, one of the first things is just kind of covering and sorting through the confusion. You know, we have so much information. Should I be keto? Should I eat plant-based? Should I not eat this or eat that? Or heard this is good for me? Or, you know, what is the big craze right now? Like sea moss. And just trying to get through all that confusion, like what is good for my body? How should I eat? What should I put first? And just making it in kind of a simple, non-complicated way that has lasting shifts. And it's not short term. We're not talking about like a diet. We're not talking about restrictions.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And you're going to offer simple strategies. That's another part of the
Simple
workshop.
strategies, that's a big thing. You know, we don't have time, and nor does anyone in our house really want this like big overhaul. So the strategies I have are just simple and that you can implement them today, and you're going to notice differences in yourself and your family when it comes to like moodiness and energy, and I mean weight loss too, if that's something that you want. So that's what it's about. Let's just get a little bit simple and sort through the confusion.
And I don't know anyone who maybe wouldn't want to help their daughter with moodiness,
Yeah,
right? Something that we deal with.
Mm-hmm.
And then another aspect is about helping parents being able to help their daughters develop a healthy relationship with food.
Right.
And like, what does a relationship with food even mean?
Right. Well, it's an important relationship, and it's also kind of a sensitive relationship that we're developing. So we're talking about like modeling and trying new things, and just kind of having like a hands-off approach and navigating this crazy world of food in a positive way that's not stressful for the parent.
All right, so this workshop is for parents of grade school girls that will help parents sift through the confusion so that they can feed their families better, offer simple strategies, and then help their daughters and in turn maybe whole family develop a healthy relationship with food.
Sure, for
okay,
sure.
Awesome.
Okay.
And that starts October 23rd. It's a 4 consecutive week series. And then I am running a monthly parent book club for elementary parents who have elementary daughters, reading Lisa Damour's book, Untangled. Have you read it?
Yeah, it's great.
Okay, it's amazing. There has never been anyone that's read that book and is like, oh my gosh, what a waste of time. People love this book. And so we're going to read it in a small group community. Now, something to consider about Wise Girl Workshops and something that we really value, which I think maybe sets us apart from some other programs, is that we value small group connection so that we can create meaningful connection and really be able to talk about the messiness of parenting, whether that's like diet and nutrition, whether that's the ups and downs of parenting, which we're going to cover in the monthly book club. So our groups are small. We really value that. We value people's privacy, and really creating close connection both in our girl groups and our parent groups. So you're really going to get that from our program. So if you have any questions, feel free to message me. You can head to our website, which has all the information about how to sign up, and we hope that you'll join us.
Yes, we do.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.